India vs. Sri Lanka Fire full test match highlights epic battle and stunning comeback. Cricket game. India vs. Sri Lanka, complete test series summary 2026. The two-match test series between India and Sri Lanka has concluded, with India winning the series 1-0. India won the first test convincingly, while Sri Lanka produced a remarkable fightback to draw the second test in Colombo. Cricket game first test, Gala. Result, India won by 165 runs. India first innings. 462 all out. Devdutt Padikkal, 167. KL Rahul, 82. Sri Lanka first innings. 284 all out. India second innings. 193 all out. Sri Lanka second innings. 206 all out. India set Sri Lanka a target of 372 runs, but the Sri Lankan batting lineup was dismissed for 206. India completed a commanding 165-run victory and took a 1-0 lead in the series. Devdutt Padikkal was named player of the match after his outstanding 167-run innings. Cricket game second test, Colombo. Result match drawn. India first innings. 503 declared. India dominated the first innings with several important batting performances. Devdutt Padikkal, 117. Dhruv Jural, 115 not out. Rishabh Pant, 63. Shubman Gill, 50. India declared at a massive 503. Sri Lanka first innings. 290 all out. Sri Lanka fell 213 runs behind India's total. Their young batter Sonal Dinusha scored a brilliant century and provided resistance. India then decided to enforce the follow-on. Sri Lanka second innings. 429. After being asked to follow on, Sri Lanka produced an incredible fightback. Sonal Dinusha played a historic unbeaten innings of 133 runs, helping Sri Lanka survive and save the test match. The final score was India 503 declared Sri Lanka, 290 all out and 429. Result match drawn. Star key performers of the series. India. Devdutt Padikkal, player of the series with 328 runs. Dhruv Jural, important unbeaten century in the second test. Indian bowlers dominated Sri Lanka's first innings in both tests. Sri Lanka. Sonal Dinusha, outstanding performances throughout the series. Scored major runs in all 4 innings of the two-test series. Played a match-saving 133 not out in the second innings of the Colombo test. Sonal Dinusha was named player of the match in the second test. Trophy final test series result. Test. Winner result. First test Gala. India won by 165 runs. Second test Colombo. Handshake match drawn. Final series result. India won 1-0. India were clearly the stronger side across the series, but Sri Lanka's courageous fightback in the second test prevented a 2-0 whitewash. The Colombo test will especially be remembered for Sonal Dinusha's outstanding resistance after Sri Lanka were forced to follow on. India vs. Sri Lanka Test Series.